Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm BubbleDust, or if you're new there, hello, how you doing? Today I'm going to be showing you a quick, easy eyeliner tutorial. Now, eyeliner for me has been a struggle for many years, like many, and I did it when I was younger, and then I gave up on it because I was like, I can't do this, and then I came back to it, and I wouldn't say I've gotten good at it because I don't want to make it sound like I'm brilliant at eyeliner, but I am decent to make it look presentable. I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is one that's like, it's not like a pen, which when I first bought this, I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, even though it looks complicated, because it's one of these ones where it's like yeah. I've given it a go. I've been using it for many months, and it works well. It lasts a long time, and it takes forever to take off because it lasts so well. I'm in the most awkward position going. So I've got my eyeliner. Now for me, the whole doing the eyeliner used to be very tentative. I don't think that's the right word. I never used to be go in strong, just make a line. I used to be very like, I feel like tentative is the right word now. So that's what I do now. I go in and I just make one mark like that. It's just, I'm not afraid of it anymore. I've just like come to terms with it. And then I sort of, I match that up like that. And then I just sort of go down. It looks like it jumps slightly, but it's all cool. Then you just fill that in. Sometimes I just add a little bit of a line to sort of, you know, make it look connected like that. As you can see, it's sort of split there, but nobody's gonna be up that close to your eye. And if they are, there's something called boundaries. Oh my god. I've just done my best eyeliner on camera, and I know I'm not gonna be able to replicate it. That's the bad thing, is the fact that I know I've done really good. Like, I'm so pleased with that. Okay, we're just gonna do this. I'm terrified. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm terrified. Hold on, what? Have I? They are practically the same length. Like, this one's slightly longer, but I don't want to take that one out any longer. You know that thing where you go out and then you go out again and again until it's like massive. I don't want to do that. The different angles, to be fair. Like, this one's more up like that, and that one's more down like this. But okay, I'm just gonna do that little line down the middle, because that little line will cross my lash line. I was purely terrified to do my eyeliner on camera, so I was like, you know what, this is gonna go wrong, it's gonna look awful, and I'm just gonna mess it up, because I knew I wasn't the world's best eyeliner person. Was the person that doing eyeliner? Proper English there. But you know what? I'm so happy with this. Now I'm just gonna add my final details, because I don't like leaving just eyeliner. I wouldn't give a smoky effect to it. Even though this is nice, you can wear this out. I'm just gonna finish up my makeup and then I shall get back to you. Added to the eyeliner is I've done a bit of brown under here and a bit of brown in there. I feel like I'm very made up just to sit in my house all day. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to support me along my journey of trying to become me, then please hit that subscribe button, and I shall see you next time. Bye bye.